Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see about a super launcher, and it's so useful and also have a lot of features. It's called Microsoft Launcher, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just get into the video. So download the Microsoft Launcher from the Play Store. It's one of the best and simple and also the fastest launcher. So you can just open this. This is the first preview of this first impression of this launcher. You can find the widget on the top, and also you have different icons for the Microsoft, and you can just swipe here. This is a hidden spot for the apps. You can just swipe to open the shortcut for apps, and also you have a setting option here to enter into the launcher setting. And here you can find the wallpapers. You have a preset of wallpapers from the Microsoft. You have Microsoft Launcher wallpapers, so you can find different type of high quality of wallpaper. You can just set it if you just need it, like it. And also you have a lot of options like theme, color, opacity, blurriness on for the background images. Also you can just add it like this, so you can just feel the launcher like iPhone. So you have a lot of widgets. So this is some of the widgets the Microsoft Launcher had its own widget. You can just add it from the widget point. You just long press on the screen. You can just open the drawer. This is the drawer style, and you can just click on this, and you can directly add a widget from here also. This is the Microsoft Launcher widget. You can just place wherever you just need it. There's a lot of weather and clock widget they have been given. So this is just click on this to swipe. The wallpapers will be changed automatically and randomly, and also you just can long press it and you can just open the setting. You have a lot of gadgets option also here. You can just use this Microsoft Launcher if you just need it. It's simple and also fast and have a lot of options. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique.